So hey guys, again welcome back. So we are back with another unboxing of a unique device which is from Snexian called Snexian Rock Key. As you can see, so it is a car key shaped feature phone. So as you can see, we have this very unique shape, and it is a feature phone from uh, front, and you can see the rear. It is looking like exactly like a car key. So it is very unique device, as you can see. So apart from this device, inside the box we get this charging Type C cable, Type C cable for charging. So that is a good thing. And apart from that, we get nothing. So let me just keep the box side, and we will focus on the device itself. So here you can see the device. Again, we get this very unique design, and you can see. Let me just remove the plastic. So guys, I will make a full unboxing video of this device soon. So stay tuned for that. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.